All right. So once you've made some trades on your Binance account, the next step is knowing how to withdraw your money. Yeah, let's go through it step by step so you don't get confused. First, log in and go to your wallet, then click on Withdraw. Now choose whether you want to withdraw crypto or fiat money, like bank transfer, if it's available in your country. Next, pick the currency you want to withdraw, like USDT, Bitcoin, or your local currency. If you're withdrawing crypto, paste your wallet address carefully. If it's fiat, enter your bank details. Now select the correct network for crypto transfers, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double check everything, then confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete a security verification step. After that, just wait. Crypto withdrawals take a few minutes, while bank transfers can take longer depending on your bank. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from Binance. Just always double check wallet addresses and details before confirming because transactions can't be reversed.